Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, I'm going to show you how to operate basic scans in Eclipse to find the most commonly sought types of information and text within your document. I'm in my document, and this document contains several different types of text. I have my normal text that has translated straight from my steno machine through my dictionary. It's not an untranslate, it's not conflicts, and it's not any other type of text. It's simply normal translated text that I have not typed into the document. I have a conflict that's already been selected. I have text that's been typed in by one of my scopists. And I have various untranslates in my document as well as unselected conflicts. Instead of waiting to encounter all of these things in my document as I'm editing, I can instead scan to them so that I can make sure there are certain edits that are done before I go through to do my main editing or my final proofing. You can access the scan menu by going to Move and then Scan or Reverse Scan. Scan will scan forward in your document from the point of your cursor location down. Reverse Scan will perform the same scans from the point of your cursor location up in the document. You'll notice that for scan, all of the default commands are Control plus a letter, while for reverse scan, all of the default commands are Control Shift plus a letter. All of these commands relate to one another. So to scan for the next non-resolved translation, you would press Control T, but to scan for the previous non-resolved translation, you would press Control Shift T. There are built-in scans for unresolved translations, untranslates, conflicts, and unresolved conflicts. Non-resolved translation will take you to any translation that hasn't been resolved. So this will take you to unselected conflicts, and it will also take you to untranslates. And if I move my cursor to the word basically, I can go back to Move, and this time I can choose Reverse Scan, choose Untranslate, choose Move, Reverse Scan, and I'll choose Next or Non-Resolved Translation, and it takes me to the non-resolved conflict. If I choose Move, Scan, and Conflict, it will take me to the next conflict of any type, whether it's been selected by myself, Eclipse's artificial intelligence, or it hasn't been selected at all. If I select Move, Scan, and Untranslate, it will take me simply to the next untranslated steno in my document. It will ignore all other types of unresolved translations, like conflicts. And if I choose Unresolved Conflict from the scan list, that will take me obviously to the next unresolved conflict that hasn't been selected at all. You can use your mouse to perform these actions, but you can also use the keystrokes. And using the keystrokes makes scanning through your document for particular types of problems very easy. And again, for every type of scan, there's an equivalent reverse scan that will scan backwards in your document. If you think you may have selected the wrong conflict, you can simply select Reverse Scan and Conflict to get right back to your last selection and ensure that you've selected the right choice. The last option in the Scan menu is Any. If I open the Any Scan menu, I have an option of all the different types of text that I can choose from. I can select as many or as few of these options as I'd like to in order to scan for them. You can select Deselect All in order to uncheck everything, and you can check only the items that you'd like to scan for. So I can scan for typed in text, or since this text was typed in by a specific scopist, I can go to Move, Scan Any, and choose text user number 3 and press OK, because I know that this text was entered by user number 3, which is the text user that I've assigned to my scopist. I previously made a video about assigning text types to scopists and proofreaders that you work with. Using the Move, Scan Any command, you can scan to any of the different text types that your scopists or proofreaders use, or all of them at once. The Scan Any command also remembers what you searched for last. This makes the Scan Any command easy to use, and also easy to use with macros. You can choose any text type in the Scan Any window, and press OK, and Eclipse will take you to that type of text next found in the document. And again, just like all of the other scans, there is a Reverse Any scan. And so you can choose to search for any type of text in any direction. The last scan available is Multiscan. I previously made a video all about Multiscan, But explained simply, multiscan is a toggleable option. You can turn multiscan on and off, and when multiscan is on, it will automatically repeat the last scan that you undertook. With multiscan enabled, if I choose move, scan, and unresolved conflict, as soon as I choose to resolve this conflict, I'm taken to the next conflict in my document. If you're interested in using multiscan, I recommend you check out the video I made dedicated to that topic. Using scans can help you save time and ensure accuracy. It lets you do a quick and easy scan of very specific items in your document, and you can do this before you begin editing your transcript in earnest, or you can do it after you're done editing your transcript to ensure you've caught everything that may need to be addressed, or you can always do it at both times. Thank you for watching this video about scanning in Eclipse. If you have any questions, please don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support 24/7. Tech support can be reached anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content. Thanks so much and have a great day.